I'm going to be talking about some of the comments for my video on my new PC because I meant to do that a bit ago and I haven't gotten around to it. So as you can all see, this is my PC right here. This is my desktop here. And here are some of the comments. So first up is cable management could have been better and black components in a white case wasn't the best. I kind of agree with that, although it wasn't completely my choice. When I went to buy the parts at Micro Center, I just looked for the cheapest case because I wasn't fully going for aesthetics that much. And they actually had this NZXT case here on sale for only $50, so that was the cheapest case. Ryzen, that isn't a PC, that's a modern trash can. So, it's really annoying that we still have these kind of people. AMD used to suck, but it's gotten much better, and it's much better than Intel at the moment, with Intel's current instability issues and the fact that Ryzen has a much better price to performance. So, at the current time, Ryzen is actually a much better option than Intel. Looks like a 2-year-old wired that thing. Honestly, I kind of agree, although that was actually done by my brother, who's 2 years older than me. So, yeah. Where is PSU? So, I think this person is just now discovering what a dual-chambered case is. I mean, they've been around for a decent bit. If you look right here, you can already kind of see it. And then, if I just take this back panel off, you can see my power supply is right here. And I just accidentally exposed the back cable management. Whatever, it's not that bad because NZXT actually gives these nice little straps here, which helps with cable management. So, it's not too big of a deal. Okay, this is the final one. Cable management is a mess. Second, why would you buy a micro ATX motherboard for a full tower case? The reason for that was just budget. I wasn't completely going for aesthetics, and the micro ATX motherboard was just the best one for the price, so I got that. Third, why did you cheap out on CPU? So I actually had a different part list before I went to Micro Center, and I got that CPU, especially because it was on sale for like almost half off. And when I got to Micro Center, almost none of the parts I had on my part list were actually there. I had to get alternative parts for similar prices, and so that's why I have a bit of a bottleneck. And if it's a newly a PC build, you could go for AM5, like 7600 or even 9600. I kind of agree, but AM4 isn't exactly a bad option either. It works just fine. And I don't think I can trust whatever RAM brand that is. Looks like some bootleg DDR3 RAM that released in 2007. So that's actually G-Skill RAM that I got from Micro Center. I'm pretty sure G-Skill is a trustable company, although it is a special edition. It's G-Skill Aegis. I have not played the game that's from, but it is a special edition RAM, and that's just what I ended up substituting for the original RAM that I planned on buying. Still, though, it's from a trustable brand. And last of all, you have a nice PC case. That's all I can say. I guess thank you. Okay, and thank you for watching. I kind of wish in the beginning I just did a long form video about my PC case instead of doing a short, so I could have explained all of this in the beginning, but it's a little bit too late for that. If you like my content, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm currently working towards my goal of 100 subscribers.